Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore a variety of idioms that can help you to communicate or convey your feelings in a wonderful manner. So let's explore these idiomatic expressions. First one is piece of cake. That means something which is very easy to do. After working in this industry for 10 years, coding is a piece of cake for him. Like coding is very easy for him. Spill the beans. That means to reveal a secret. Example, she was planning a surprise birthday party for her father, but his mother spilled the beans. Hit the hay. That means go to bed. I'm so tired today. It's time to hit the hay. Crocodile tears. Jhoothe aansu. That means sorrow that is not real. That lady said that she was very sorry, but her tears were only crocodile tears. Shake a leg. That means hurry up. Example, come on, shake a leg. We have a bus to catch. Funny tummy. That means having a stomachache or diarrhea. I'm not sure what I ate last night, but I have a bit of funny tummy now. Snow job. That means insincere talk. I don't like snow jobs. Let's make a serious plan for our business. Feel like $1 million. To feel wonderful. She says she is feeling like $1 million. Ear hustler. Someone who gossips. Julia is an ear hustler. If you tell her something today, everyone will know by tomorrow. Put a sock in it. That means tell someone to stop talking. Example, put a sock in it. You don't know what you're talking about. Zonk out. To fall asleep very quickly. When I got home last night, I immediately zonked out. Under the weather. To feel ill. I am feeling a bit under the weather today. Go Dutch. That means to share the cost of something equally. You don't have to pay for me. Let's go Dutch. So whenever you go for lunch and you want to contribute, you can say, let's go Dutch. That means share the cost of something equally. Tie the knot. Tie the knot means to get married. Rahul and Nupur are going to tie the knot next month. Pull someone's leg. That means to joke with or prank someone. Example, is it really your car or are you pulling my leg? Break a leg. Good luck. I just wanted to say break a leg. So that was all about this video, and I hope that these idiomatic expressions help you to convey your feelings in a better manner. Happy learning. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.